Dear viewers, new upcoming smartphone Meizu 16XS launched next month 2019. Dear viewers, Meizu 16XS is carrying a 6.2-inch Full HD plus 1080 by 2232 pixel AMOLED screen without a notch. Dear viewers, the smartphone has also fingerprint reader sitting beneath. A Snapdragon 675 is behind the wheel paired with 6GB of RAM and up to 122GB of internal storage. The smartphone has a triple camera setup on the back, consists of a 48-megapixel main unit, a 5-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel snapper, which is probably an ultra-wide. The front camera has a 16-megapixel sensor and lens and support filter recognition. The handset is powered by 4000 mAh power battery and runs on Android 9.05. Out of the box with Meizu's on Flyme skin on top. The connectivity options on the Meizu 16XS include Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, Bluetooth V5, and USB Type-C. The Meizu 16XS measures 152.00 by 74.40 by 8.35 mm, and the weight of that smartphone is only 165.00 grams. The Meizu 16XS will arrive in 4 different colors: night black, coral orange, ice silk white, and atlantis blue.